Hi everyone. Are you looking to get into research but don't know where to start? Whether you're looking to be a research assistant or get into an independent research project, we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through the best strategies to land a research position at your university. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, attend networking nights and meet the prof events. These are basically events organized by UTM PAWS, and they allow students to meet professors and researchers in a more casual setting. You should go because you can learn about different research fields, ask supervisors about openings in their labs, and get to meet supervisors on a one-on-one basis. As a tip, you can prepare a 30-second introduction to introduce yourself to professors, as well as ask them about their current research and whether they take undergraduates in their lab.
Tip number 2, you should check CLNX regularly. This is because CLNX has so many on-campus jobs, off-campus jobs, volunteer positions, and a casual job boot that you can sign up for. This can help you find research assistant positions on campus, off-campus, or even some volunteer positions. A tip would be to check CLNX on a regular basis or sign up for email alerts.
Tip number 3, check lab websites for open positions and requirements. Professors often post research assistant openings, required skills, and contact information on their lab website. To find them, you can just Google the professor's name with UTM Lab at the end, or go on the department website and go under the research section. As a tip, if the lab isn't currently hiring, you can keep checking back on their website, or you can send a polite email to inquire about future positions.
Tip number 4, talk to professors whom you're taking courses with. If you really enjoy a course and your research interests align with it, you should talk to your professor and share your research interest. This will help you to increase your chance of getting into the lab or joining the lab. What you could do to talk to a professor could be going to their office hours or booking separate time or booking an appointment with them to discuss doubts or discuss some more research interests or asking them more about their lab and finding out that you are the best fit for that lab as your research interests align. A tip would be to open up and ask the professor about various positions that are open up or if this would be the best fit for you or not. This will not only help you to maybe get a position, but a professor can also help you to guide what position is best for you.
Tip number 5, read lab publications and reach out via email. Understanding a professor's work helps you ask informed questions and show a genuine interest when you reach out to them. You can find a professor's work on Google Scholar, the U of T library website, or the lab's publications. In order to send an email to a lab, be sure to make the subject Research Assistant Inquiry with your name, and then for the body, briefly introduce yourself, mention why you're interested in working there, and ask if they have any openings now or potentially in the future. As a tip, be sure to attach your resume and transcript to have more credibility.
Tip number 6, which is very important, apply for a research opportunity program, which is ROP, or an independent research project, which is IRP. Now, what is an ROP? ROP is a research opportunity program, which is a very structured research course that you take with a professor and gain some research experience and also get a course credit for it. Whereas IRP is an independent research project that you are doing by your own self, which means it's self-directed, but you are doing that research under a faculty supervisor. ROP applications usually open up in February of every single year. How you can apply is basically just going to the portal, scrolling through all the projects that are available to you, and it is basically in every single subject. It can be in bio, it can be in chemistry, it can be in geography, it can be in psychology, but you can apply to the ones that you are very interested in. You can even reach out to the professors to know more about what this ROP is about because you'll find their email in that project. Other than that, this is how you can apply to ROP, and if you get in, because it is sometimes very competitive, then you can further do a research-based course with a professor. But in case of an IRP, you usually have to approach a professor and ask if they are looking for any IRP students or not. A tip for this would be to check out the ROP applications early on, apply early on, and another one would be that you should check if you're eligible to apply for that specific course or not. For example, if it's a psychology course, they would ask you that you should have these prerequisites and then you're eligible to apply. So keep in mind, you should check in for the prerequisites that are there for that specific course, and do not apply if you are not eligible, or maybe talk to the professor what you can do for that prerequisite.
Tip number 7, follow campus clubs for updates. Research-focused clubs like UTM Pause or other science societies will often post about new opportunities on their social media. You can check these out on Instagram, LinkedIn, Discord servers, as well as the department website. As a tip, set notifications on for new posts so you never miss an update.
Tip number 8, you should prepare a resume template. Now, why is this helpful? Preparing a resume template saves a lot of your time and a lot of your effort too. Having a solid template will help you define your basic structure of the resume. For example, every single resume of yours, be it for 5 different applications, will have the same education, will have the same university, will have the same set of past experiences or same volunteer experiences. So now this will help you to save a lot of time, and you can adjust all those 5 applications just to the fact that you want to adjust a few skills, or you want to add few skills, or get rid of few skills. A tip would be to ask someone to critique your resume. It could be the facilities you have on campus to critique a resume. It could be a senior who has already gotten a job or is very well experienced in that field. You can ask them to critique your resume, or you can ask your parents to do it, or anyone whom you feel could be a best critique for you, and this can help you improve your resume a lot. Another tip could be that you should always look up for resources to prepare your cover letter. For example, we have uploaded a video on our Instagram sharing how you can make a very good cover letter, and we have a whole infographic for it, so you should go to our Instagram and check that out. It will be very helpful for you while you're applying for any research assistant position.
And finally, tip number 9, check research clusters on department websites. These are groups of faculty that are working on related topics, such as psychology or neuroscience. Checking out research clusters can help you find professors whose works align with your interests. You can find them by going to your department's website and looking under the research section. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any further questions related to finding research opportunities at university.